Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to make a setting shortcuts on iPhone. If you want to create a setting shortcuts on iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. If you want to make a shortcut for any app like App Store, Facebook, Messenger or anything which you want on your home screen but you don't know how to do it, then you can easily create a shortcut to quickly access the specific settings or use app on the home screen easily. Now to do so, you need to simply open the shortcuts app on your iPhone. Now this is an inbuilt app and you will easily find it on your iPhone. Now to open the shortcut app, you may simply scroll from top and you may simply search shortcut and simply open that. Now here you will see various options on the shortcuts app, like find the App Store app, which are the shortcuts which I have kept. Now after that you'll also see the starter shortcuts and all. Now to add a specific app to the shortcut, you'll see the option of select at the very top right, so click on it and here you'll see the option like send message, open app and all. Now you may also search the app which you like, so you may click on the option of search action. So if you wanna add books or calculator on your shortcut, so you may simply click on it, and under calculator you may simply add the option like calculate expression and all. So select the option which you think is good for you and click on it. Now after doing all of it, you'll see the option of share at the very bottom, so click on the option of share and scroll down until you see the option of add to home screen. So after doing this, you need to click on the option of add to home screen and you may change the color of your shortcuts. You may also give various icons and all, or also you may give various symbols, and you may also change the name if you like. If you want to change the name, you may simply tap on the name and change it, and after doing all of it, you may click on the option of add, which is at the very top right. So after doing this, the shortcut will appear on your home screen and you may simply open it from here and you may use it easily. So that's it. That's how you can create a setting shortcuts on your iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.